Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What to pick for Hajj? Advice to make Hajj more comfortable to avoid the frustration, minimize fatigue, and not fall sick. An opportunity to perform Hajj is a blessing, but it takes a lot of preparation. In order to make things a little less confusing and frustrating for you, I have compiled a list of Hajj advice and tips. So let's start. Let me explain you step by step how to prepare for Hajj. Before you start preparing for Hajj, remember that Hajj is not like going on a vacation or to Saudi Arabia. It is more like camping in a desert. More than 3 million people come for Hajj every year. It is a very dangerous yet exciting situation to be in. There are people from all over the world speaking multiple languages, following different cultures, young and old, sick and healthy, and they are all there for just one purpose alone. Muslims perform Hajj in the Islamic month of Zulhijjah because it is the fifth pillar of Islam. They are there to fulfill their faith. Hajj is a once in a lifetime obligation that all Muslims must fulfill if they have the means to. So you have saved up your money to come for Hajj. You need to prepare yourself mentally first. Understand that there will be people from all over the world, some very different from you. They have different ways of doing things. Some have less patience due to being less educated or aged. People can have invisible illnesses too. You cannot tell why they are doing what they are doing. Remember that the most important thing that you should pack with you is sabr, patience. Just let it go. If someone pushes you, you miss your turn. Just let it go. Leave it. Have patience. Be prepared to walk. You may have booked the best 5-star Hajj group, but still there are things beyond control that can happen. You will still have to walk. There will be chapped, itchy legs. You will be sweaty, hot, and oh so tired. So will everybody else be? Everyone is going to be tired. Take a moment to embrace it all. There is never going to be a chance like this again. You have possibly never been around so many people from so many cultures before. Sit down to just observe them. There will be so much to see. What to expect in Hajj? When you are prepared and know what expect, it will be easier for you to pack for Hajj and manage yourself. If this is your first time visiting Saudi Arabia, read up on Hajj stories or talk to Hajis who have been to Hajj before. Hajj can mean hot, humid, scorching summer days, and if it is winter, cold fierce nights too. It means millions of people, huge crowds of people from all backgrounds, old and young, sick and healthy. You will need to pack accordingly. I asked some of my followers for advice, and here is what they said. There will be lots of walking, things will happen and you will have no control over it. There will be lots of waiting too. So be patient, pack some sabr. There will be lots of noise and people talking. Take earplugs with you so you can minimize the sounds. Helped me sleep in a crowd. It will be windy and cold in Muzdalifah at night. Even though it may be summer, take a tent and or sleeping bags.